Welcome to the new tutorial on how to make a button using HTML. Before proceeding, comment, like and subscribe to our channel that's in Darwin PogTech and click on the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever a new video is uploaded. First of all, make a new text document. Open that in Notepad. So I have to write a HTML tag. The first tag is HTML and the closing tag for HTML is a single slash with followed by HTML. Now what you have to do is for creating a button you have to write a tag known as button. You will write we're going to display how will this will work. So I have to write making buttons in HTML. For making button the tag we use is button and closing tag is with slash sign. Now the text that will be displayed on the button is, let's say I will write it click me. Now save the file with .html extension so that it will display in the browser. Now close it and open the file that is showing the button with browser sign. Open it in browser. Now here it is, click me. You have to click it and the button will work. That's all about today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.